Pistachio nuts have long symbolized health, and their oil is one of the healthiest oils derived from kernels. Rich in nutrients, pistachio oil offers a range of benefits. Pistachios are versatile nuts with a delightful taste, and their oil shares a similar bold, nutty flavor and vibrant green color. Due to its intense taste, pistachio oil is best used to enhance recipes. The oil is produced by heating the nuts and extracting the oil through a press. It's then purified to yield fresh pistachio oil. Pistachio oil benefits: it's packed with biotin for hair health, vitamin B6 for brain function, and vitamin E for glowing skin. 1. Red blood cell development. Pistachio oil is rich in vitamin B6, which helps with oxygen distribution in the blood, promoting circulation, faster wound healing, heart health, and a radiant complexion. It also aids in balancing white and red blood cells, supporting immunity and metabolism. 2. Boosts sexual vitality. Pistachio oil contains aphrodisiac properties that enhance sexual desire. Used in aromatherapy, it promotes relaxation and improves blood flow to reproductive organs, naturally boosting libido. 3. Boosts immune system. Pistachio oil, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, enhances immune function by protecting the body from infections caused by bacteria or viruses. It also promotes skin health, helping to eliminate dark spots and improve radiance. Additionally, vitamin C aids in faster wound healing and strengthens the body's defense against chronic diseases. 4. Prevents heart attacks. Pistachio oil helps lower cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases. It contains L-arginine, an amino acid that helps unclog arteries and prevent heart issues. Research from the Indian Journal of Clinical Biochemistry shows L-arginine's effectiveness in reducing cholesterol levels. 5. Boosts blood circulation for brain function. Pistachio oil's vitamin B6 promotes smooth blood circulation, enhancing the heart, lungs, and muscles performance. It supports hemoglobin production, is vital for brain health, and protects neurons. Vitamin B6 also helps regulate mood and manage stress, further boosting mental well-being. 6. Healthy skin. In addition to its health benefits, pistachio oil offers impressive advantages for the skin. Rich in vitamin E, it helps create smooth, silky skin and addresses issues like hyperpigmentation and breakouts. The oil's antioxidant properties protect against sun damage and premature aging. It also contains fatty acids that nourish and maintain healthy, radiant skin. 7. Healthy hair. Pistachio oil benefits for hair include the prevention of breakage and protection of hair from dryness. It contains ceramides which can help keep the hair cuticles shining and allow it to endure wear. How? Ceramides enhance the retention of moisture and boost hair elasticity. Additionally, pistachio oil contains vitamin K, a natural source of biotin. This vitamin can promote faster and healthier hair growth. Consuming pistachio oil can also give your hair a more lustrous and smooth appearance. The pistachio oil benefits are not limited to only body health, as this oil can also offer many advantages to the hair and skin. To enjoy these numerous benefits, opt for the use of pistachio oil today.